Good morning, guys. Good morning. How's everybody doing? It's Ray at CMA again, and you're here with me in the shop this morning once again. Thank you for being here. So I want to give you a little update on the 53 Chevy truck where we're at. So last time I spoke, I told you that I was you saw me cutting away this metal so I could access the repairs. Well, it's cut away and there ain't much holding it. That's why the board is here to support. So what I had to do was, once I cut this away, I had to get into the meat of this corner. So I realized once I got underneath that I saw that the end of the support was rotted out. It's pretty ugly. So I had to fabricate a piece. So what better piece to use than a piece of the old support from the other side. So it's exactly the same shape, trying to save time. So what I did was I cut the piece out, and all I had to do really was flare out the ends, put the hole in for the bolt, and now I've got a perfect matching piece. So this piece goes right here. That's going to get welded in. This junk goes to the side. That does too. This floor section is going to get re-welded in after, and this little support piece gets welded back inside. The bottom of the rocker over here, this is what came out. So this sits this way at the end of the rocker. It's gone. It's all gone. And this is the piece that was bought. This is the rocker replacement section, but I only need this part. This is going to go down inside here, like so. And then this goes underneath it, inside there. Not for now, but and that gets all welded together. And then the lower portion of the pillar is going to get welded to the rocker. Then I can release everything so it'll be stable once again. Then I can start with the other sheet metal, the floor piece, the inner kick panel, and the outer portions. So we're moving along really well. Customer's extremely happy, and I am too. It's going well. I'm very pleased. So let's move around to the back corner and I'll show you what's going on over there. All right, so over here in the corner of the cab, the bottom lower corner, I had to replace all this lower portion, and back here the vertical support, and the end of the rocker, which I also took off the replacement piece. This is the piece that was right here. There isn't much left of it. It was pretty well rotted away. And this is the corner that was here. This is really yummy. So, I mean, the work that was done to this thing was just so poor, absolutely poor. And I feel bad for people, like I said before, I feel bad for people who buy stuff, who have all this kind of horrible work covered up with body filler and paint, and you can't see it. And, you know, people just, they get taken, and they have to bring it to me and other places like myself to have things hopefully done correctly. Here, stuff is getting done correctly, and the owner is very, very pleased at what he's seeing. So, this patch right here is the one that replaces that. And I actually had to do some remodeling, modification here, because I don't know if you can see this line. This line out here is where this line was, way out, but it's now taken care of. So this piece, I can't get it in there because of the supporting board. This piece is going to go right here. Once it's done, it's going to look beautiful. But I can't put this on now. I can't weld it because all this rust in here, it has to be sandblasted, and I want to make sure that it's all clean before I put this piece in. So all the bad rust is going to be sandblasted, primed, treated, and then we'll go forward with the other patches. So guys, that's where I'm at today at the moment for the 53. And I'm going to be still moving on forward with that as far as I can go until the other parts come in. So guys, thank you so much for watching, sharing, commenting, subscribing on YouTube when the videos are there. If you have questions, please don't hesitate. Ask away. I love answering your questions. I love getting questions. And that's about it for today. Guys, thank you so much for watching. You have a blessed day. We'll see you soon. Bye.